Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Your question is, which of the following function is differentiable at x is equals to 0? तो आपको ये चारों functions check करने हैं for differentiability at x is equals to 0. So let us check with the first function. Your first function is cos of modulus x plus modulus x. And you can define this as when x is greater than equals to 0, your function will become cos x plus x, and when x is less than 0, your cos x will become, cos x is an even function, आप इसको negative input भी देंगे, then it will be equals to cos x only, and this will become minus x. Now your first function is a continuous function and second function is not continuous. You can find out the derivative of this function. Let this function be fx. So try to find out the derivative of fx, and that will be equals to minus sin x plus 1 and minus sin x minus 1 when x is greater than equals to 0 and when x is less than 0. So we have to check the differentiability at x is equals to 0. So left hand derivative is equals to, left hand derivative will come from this function, sin 0 is 0, so will be equals to 1, and right hand derivative at 0 will become, this will become 0, so this is minus 1. Since left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative, that implies fx is not differentiable at x is equals to 0. Your first function is not differentiable. Now check for the second function, your function b. Let now your fx is cos of modulus x minus modulus x, that can be defined as cos x. When x is positive, this will give you cos x minus x, and when x is negative, it will give you minus x. So when x is negative, function will be defined like this. Now left hand derivative at x is equals to 0, left hand derivative will become, here also minus 1 will be the left hand derivative and this will be your right hand derivative. Now left hand derivative will come from this function and that will be equals to cos 0 is 1, cos, first of all find out the derivative function, and the derivative function will be equals to minus sin x minus 1 and minus sin x plus 1 when x is greater than equals to 0 and when x is less than 0. So the left hand derivative in this case, left hand derivative will come from this function, and that cos sin 0 is 0, this will become 1, and right hand derivative will be from this function. If you are going to substitute x is equals to 0, it will be equals to minus 1. Since left hand derivative and right hand derivative are unequal, therefore your fx in second case is also not differentiable at x is equals to 0. So this is also not differentiable. Now consider C part. Your fx is sine of modulus x plus modulus x, which can be written as when x is positive, this is sin x and this is x, and when x is negative, it will give you minus sin x and this is also minus x. So the derivative function will be cos x plus 1 and minus cos x minus 1. Now you can find the left hand derivative, that is equals to आप जीरो पुट करेंगे, cos of 0 is 1, minus 1 will give you minus 2, and right hand derivative at 0 will come from this function, cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Since left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative, that implies fx is not differentiable at x is equals to 0 also. So third function is also not differentiable. So we have to finally check our fourth function. Our fourth function, let fx is equals to sine of modulus x minus modulus x, and which can be defined as positive sine x minus x when x is positive, and negative sine x minus modulus x will throw minus x and it will become plus x here when x is negative. Now the derivative function will be cos x minus 1 and minus cos x plus 1 when x is positive and when x is negative. So your left hand derivative at x is equals to 0 will come from this function, cos 0 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0, and right hand derivative at x is equals to 0, cos 0 will give you 1 here. So 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So here, since left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative, that implies your fourth function is differentiable at x is equals to 0.